Okay, so I have my oils and my lye water ready. They have both cooled down to about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Gonna mix those together and then attempt to bring this to a thin trace, slight trace, which doesn't require much blending at all. When I first started out making cold process soap, I learned that the hard way many times. So now I'm going to be adding it to my bubblegum pink mica from Brambleberry and then my magenta mica from Brambleberry. And then I'm going to be adding some titanium dioxide to what I have left in the bowl. So the fragrance oil we're going to be using today is pink strawberry. Oh, I love this scent from Brambleberry. It's become one of my new favorites. I should have added more titanium dioxide, but alright, now we're going to start mixing the pinks and adding the fragrance oil. And this does not discolor or cause your soap to accelerate. It's a great fragrance oil to work with. I haven't used this mold in a while, and unfortunately I did not make enough soap, but it is what it is. So now I'm just going to be pouring a layer of the hot pink, a layer of the, I can't call it white because it's not white, tan I guess you can say, and then a layer of the magenta, then another layer of white, and just go back and forth. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of this pink liquid colorant to my tan, just because it wasn't the white that I really wanted it to be. Getting as much of that soap out as I can get. So now I'm using a bamboo stick to try and just mix those colors together and spraying it with alcohol. And now I'm going to be adding strawberry embeds that I made before I started the soap. I have like a dark pink and a light pink that I am alternating. So now I'm adding silver holographic glitter from Brambleberry. You know, I have to have some glitter. And we are finished. This is what it looks like completed.
harder than me. Which rap bitch wanna step in the ring? Rap niggas get KO'd at the ding. Can't be dragging, I spit in the heat. Most of y'all rat know who getting the cheese. Clout chasing, that's the most infectious disease. A lot of y'all lying like rugs at my feet. Talk reckless online and get smacked in the street. Bitch, I'm real life, really with the shit. New boyfriend pimps looking silly with the shit. Sick all you weird niggas posing for flicks, wearing filters and posting more pics than a bitch. Where the real niggas at? Do they exist that want a big body girl? I'm too real for this shit. All you bum niggas love is a fake booty bitch. I'm homegrown, thinking I be popping off real shit. I'm hella. I'm hella. Ooh, I'm hella. I'm hella.